Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Irish Mohimin Begaro Samsul. I'm from class RAS 120 1F. So today I'm going to talk about the um, the presentation that I have chosen, which is alloy and its importance. So today I'm delighted to present to you uh, an overview of alloy and their significance in various industries. So alloy plays a crucial role in our everyday life, from the material we use in construction to the component of advanced technology. So without waiting any further, let's dive into the fascinating world of alloy and their unique property and application. Okay, so what is an alloy? So an alloy is a mixture of two or more elements with at least one of them being metal. So these elements are combined together to enhance the property of the resulting materials. Alloy can be created by melting and mixing their constituent metal or by depositing one metal onto another throughout various processes such as electroplating. Um, so alloy is a mixture of two elements, pure metal and or non-metal element. So we go to the next slide. Why alloy were made? So alloy are commonly we created it to improve the strength, hardness, corrosion, resistance, and more desirable properties of metal. So um, one of the reason we use alloy because it have the strength and hardness that are more superior than metals. So alloy are often stronger and harder than pure metal, so making them suitable for application requiring durability and structural integrity. So uh, alloy have corrosion resistance. So many alloy exhibit improved resistance to corrosion, expanding their lifespan and reducing the maintenance requirement. So alloy are created to replace pure metals. Okay, so let's compare alloy to the pure metals. From the outside, we can see on the surface, alloy are more shiny, whereas pure metal was dull. So for the resistance, alloy is resistant to the corrosion and pure metal is easily corroded. So for the hardness, alloy was hard and pure metal was less hard. So uh, a pure metal is made up of only one type of atom that have the same size and have been arranged in orderly arrangement. So when some force are applied to the atom, to the pure metal, the layer of the atom can easily be slide over each other. So this can cause pure metal to be ductile, and it will be easily to be pulled into a fine wires. Pure metal are also malleable, and its shape can be easily changed. So if there is an empty space on the between the atom in a pure metal, when the force is also applied, so the layer of the atom in the metal will slide to fill the empty space. So the metal form a new structure. Uh, so for the alloy, uh, alloy is created uh, up, to replace pure metal because it has more advantages and brings more benefit to us. So alloy is formed when you put another foreign atom into the pure metal structure. So this foreign atom are different size compared to the pure metal atoms. So this arrangement of atom in a pure metal is being disrupted. Uh, of course, this will make the layer of the atom to be more difficult to slide. So when the force is applied, alloy is much stronger than pure metals. So this is some type of alloy and justification of using the alloy. So the first alloy is duralumin. So in duralumin, it's contain aluminium, magnesium, manganese, and yeah, these four element. So the duralumin property is it's much stronger than aluminium. It has low density and it do not rust. So we can see the uses of duralumin can be seen uh, when we making a body of aeroplanes because it's much lighter and stronger than aluminium. So the second type of alloy is bronze. Uh, it's contain copper and tin. So bronze is stronger than pure copper. Bronze also do not rust, and bronze is shiny. So the application of bronze, we can see we can make medals and monument from it. The third type of alloy is brass. It contains copper and zinc. It's stronger than pure copper. Again, do not rust and shiny. So the brass we use in making in musical instrument. So the fourth type of alloy is steel. It's contain iron and carbon. This alloy is also known as carbon steel, which is stronger and harder than steel. Uh, there is also three type of steel, which are low carbon steel, average carbon steel, and high carbon steel. We can see the usage of this steel in structure of a, a building. So the fifth um, type of alloy is stainless steel. It composed of iron, chromium, nickel, and carbon. So stainless steel is much stronger than pure iron, and it has high resistance to corrosion. So we use stainless steel to make cutlery such as spoon and fork, mixing, and surgical instrument. So the last one is pewter. It compose the composition of pewter contains tin, antimony, and copper. The property itself is stronger than pure tin, do not rust, and shiny. So we use pewter to make decorative ornament and souvenir. So we have some picture with us to get to know the alloy. So this is duralumin. We used to make the body of aeroplane, the bronze to make the statue, and brass we used to make musical instrument. Um, we use stainless steel to make cutlery, pewter to make ornament, and steel we used to make building. Okay, so that's all from me today. Thank you for your attention, and I hope this presentation has provided you with valuable insight into the world of alloy. Thank you.